the beginning?
Not from the beginning, but let's do this for like a chunk and then start the clapping thing. You know what I mean? Okay, so stop it. Can I hear? Wait, where's the other noise that I said to take it out?
When the beat switch up?
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. We're just
where's the other one that I told you to take out? I just want to hear it like by itself, or it's getting better with it. But with it.
Jersey club shit? Nah? No sexy walk? You chatted today. Nah? Why not? I'm gonna somehow be behind you. Or you might in the club. I'm gonna be right there. I'm so used to the whole music format. I'm just used to the, the song format. I created a song, so that's why I was just like, I created an intro, then the beat dropped, and then it was just a back and forth with the two type of beats that you heard. That's the format of like pretty much music. You laying down the track, intro, hook, verse type shit. I went on that, just laying down what I had so far. When we started painting the picture, in regards to what the visuals might be.
My thing makes sense, right?
Your shit makes completely complete more sense. I mean, so.
Okay, yeah, I do think I like the first with the one with the. I really like this. This set?
That should have been the whole f***ing beat.
You can't even fix it. Put that right in the beginning so they know I'm coming.
What?
The gunshots. And then...
You bitch. Fire. Yo, I'm like your energy, bro. You like
what
all
do you
dead
want me
right
to say?
now. Ain't know what I want you to say. You gotta move like pretend this the shit right now. What we doing? You just gonna really be by yourself. Filming yourself and you just gonna be where the energy at? Alright, let me take it back to where it was.
But that wasn't there before. This.
Nah, I'm gonna take it back to how it was. Like this.
Wait, you changed it?
Yeah,
Wait. Okay, stop.
I might take it back. Alright, let's focus. Let me single the sound out.
Yeah. Take out all the other stuff that I'm confusing. And you added this.
I added this. This is how it was before. It was like this. Right now it's on a 116. But I'm saying it would sound better a little slower, stretched out, 1/8.
Okay, I hear it now.
You hear it now?
Yes, but when it's playing, I'm listening to the bigger that.
So if
Yo, these Essex County dances that you're trying to that you are trying to get me down with. Woo! All right, guys. So it is Wednesday. The Wednesday before the shoot. It's snowing, of course. I just picked up my dry cleaning. It is back there. I don't know if you can see it. I always dry clean everything that I'm gonna wear because I thrift a lot of my items, so they always have to kind of get dry cleaned. I'm on my way to go see the studio. Right now I'm on my way to go pick my sister up because she's gonna come with me because I don't want to go by myself. So her and my niece are gonna come and see what the studio looks like, just get a better like view and like idea of what type of space I'm working with. And yeah, just got out of work. I look insane and I look over this snow and the place is an hour away, so this is a field trip, really. Stay tuned.
Yeah, my dad worked there for like 25 years.
Oh, wow.
At one of the banks on Main Street.
Oh, cool.
And yeah, when my parents split up, he was like, I'm even closer to work. So
I hear that.
Yeah.
This is so cool. So this is downstairs. This is the bar area. I always say happy seconds. That's what everybody knows.
Right,
but yeah, you definitely know it. What do these stairs go to?
Those stairs actually go up to the house as well.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah, that was the only staircase that was in when we moved here, so we put in the second one. So really good.
And is he called the tannery? The guy, the FBI guy?
So in 1862, it was built. There was a lot of tannery. Yeah, so the tannery for like 20 years, and then it became like a slow standoff apparently. And then, yeah, and then in the 90s they tried to like redo it, but the guy just basically turned it into a biker club. So.
Right, exactly. It does look like it's on, right? She's very creative. So, it is Saturday. It is Saturday, the day of the shoot. I'm so excited. I'm like kind of nervous. It's 8 a.m. I just got to makeup. I was doing everything so last minute. The sun is really in my eyes. I was doing everything so last minute that I couldn't really secure a makeup artist to come to the actual shoot. So my homegirl from college, who is a makeup artist, also came in the clutch, and I'm at her house right now waiting for her to come outside so she can do my makeup. I'm so excited. There's just a lot going on, but I know today like everything will be good, and I'm just like anxious. I haven't slept. I was like doing a whole bunch of prep last night. I probably went to bed at like 2:30 and woke up at like 5:30, 6-ish. So we are here.
Hello?
Hey girl, I'm outside.
You outside?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're here. This is Maka.
Let me see. Oh, okay, I look decent in this light.
You're so stupid. So this is my makeup artist for today. I'm so excited. I feel like she's gonna make my skin look so bomb.
Right? Spring trends and colors and pastels and just pretty soft beat.
Yes,
right?
I'm excited. So where can they find you, like on Instagram?
You guys can find me at Amaka Amara, AMAAKAMARA. It's mad A's. Right?
I'll tag it in the video. All right, let's go. guys, this is the final look. I'm obsessed. Hold on, let me zoom out. So cute. Thanks, girl.
You're welcome.
You guys, don't forget to book her. She's bomb.
It's very expensive.
Amen. All right, guys, I'm late. So is she. Thank you so much. Y'all, yeah, really, like, I feel so cute. Bottom eyelashes.
Let me see.
Extra touch-ups. Amen.
This one a little bit more.
Love. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm here with Pete. Pete, come closer because I don't want to get off the... How annoying. Anyway.
It's a wrap.
I don't know which one. I don't know which one.
Is it a wrap? Let me see. Let me see first, and then I'll tell you see if it's a wrap. Ooh, it's a wrap.
It's Architectural Digest right there. Come on.
I just saw one.
Take a wrap shot.
Oh,
Me
I'm
and
sorry.
It's the one that's gonna go on the block.
I've had, she be hiding, but I really wouldn't have been able to do this without Naisha. I'm gonna zoom, I'm gonna just slide in real quick. Wait, come in the light so it looks nice. This is nice, so tall. Hold on. I can't. All right, so honestly, she's been shooting all the behind the scenes, helping me get dressed, helping me with everything. She's said, like, this day couldn't have gone on.
She deserves it.
So yeah, it's been me. It's literally just been me, Pete, and I all day. Maka did my makeup, of course. You guys saw that earlier, and I'm super excited for this. I feel like this lookbook is about to be sick. So you guys are gonna see how everything came together, how the music came together, us shooting, makeup. But y'all ain't see hair, but just everything. I feel like I'm so grateful. Thank you guys for even watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.